So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are reviewing the brand new Britain's Divot Brown 1410 four-wheel drive tractor. So I bought this just very recently this week. I became available as well, also that it was my birthday, so I said why not treat myself to a new tractor, and very nice. And why not review this one. I also bought this one. This is Divot Brown 1210 two-wheel drive. Now this is weathered, so it obviously looks like what a lot of the Divot Browns turned it into over the years, because they were notorious for rust, but also the fact that the white paint also always showed up rust more so than say blue or green or other colors as such. So yeah, so I'm going to get the two of them out of the box. There's the box for the back of both tractors. Very similar layout. Obviously one's two-wheel drive, the other is four. But yeah, let's get them out of the box and have a look at them.
There's a raft in there?
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see.
So I've both tractors out of the boxes. Clear as day. You can see that the two of them are very much compatible with each other, but also unique in their own special way. So we're going to look more at the 1410 first. Very nice model. I do like the fact that it has the lights up at the top of the grille the way they should be. Of course, you have your crest, you have your big front four-wheel drive system, and she is you see the prop shaft underneath. See a lot of engine detail. Good, nice and long, and actually I think it is slightly tilted forward because of obviously the axle brings up the front of the tractor. To the rear we have the Britain's hitch, a plough lamp up top, and a reg plate, and the tires look very good. And yeah, not much to say about it, but obviously on the inside of the cab there's not much detail really, but that's understandable. Some of these other models don't always have the massive amount of detail, but you know what it is, and from afar it looks okay. Top of the cab looks good. Outside, very good. Very happy with the details on the outside of the cab, because that's where it really matters. The inside is kind of an added bonus, but it is very good all around. Do like the front axle, does look well, and especially the front grille and the lights. I really like that feature. Looks spot on, proper to the real life tractor really.
I can't read, I can't write, but that don't really matter, cause I'm a Bristol City fan and I can drive a tractor.
So yeah, that's the 1410. Now we'll look at the 1210 in comparison, I suppose, because this model I believe has been out for a long time and then was reintroduced there recently, and then of course the 1410 is a entirely new model of Divot Brown, so it's very nice to have the two of them. So straight away, obviously this is two-wheel drive. You have your different noses. Headlights are on the outside instead of being up top on this tractor. Also a split grille as well. I think the weights are the same. So the engine is pretty much the same. I wonder actually if these actually share the same engine and transmission. I'd say they would, and it must be just a change on the pump. Now I could be wrong. If anyone knows, let me know. I'd be interested if they do have the same engine, because one's a 1210 and the other is a 1410. So yeah, but other than that, we'll look around the tractor. Much the same with the backs, very same, and they even have the same fucking reg plate.
Idiot, pull up!
Which is not really what I'm happy about. See the way AGN 59N and the other one is the very same. In fact, that should have been changed. It's something so subtle, but it was changed. It makes such a difference. Oh well, it's only a reg plate. It's not. I'm sure not everyone's going to have both tractors anyway. But yeah, the exhaust, I will say, which I was really happy about on this one, was the fact the exhaust was straight. See the way, well, roughly. I know it's a slight bit of a tilt. It's just a pet peeve of mine. I'd rather having a straight exhaust on a tractor than it looks like it was hit on the side of a shed. Not like this one, which is completely just completely like an aerial of a car. It's not even straight. And of course, any amount of bending to try and hold it back and kind of extend its plasticity and then try and bring it back to a kind of a straight position. But other than that, I do like the weathering on the front of the David Brown or wood trap in. So in terms of rust detail, is pretty good. So yeah, I will give the boat tractors a very, very good review. Realistically, very accurate to the real ones.
Hello?
Is mayonnaise an instrument?
Morpheus.
No, this is Patrick.
Also, I do like the fact that both of them are very similar, but also very much unique with the front grills. But also, yeah, if the reg plates were changed, it would have been nice. But you can easily do that with a marker if you really wanted to. You could probably just colour in that in black or make that 9 into an 8 or something else like that. So you have a slightly different reg, or just put a completely different sticker up here just for your reg plate. It's up to you if you want to go into that sort of detail. But
What the hell do they want from me?
Oh yeah. I forget.
What if they...
Finland! You did it! I can see Squidward's house from up here. And he's not wearing any pants.
No way! This is crazy.
No! This is Patrick! Oh,
overall, it looks very good. So both tractors very nice. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.